In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Clickfunnels in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will make it easier for you to manage appointments directly through your Clickfunnels page. Let's get started. First, head over to calendly.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up, but for today we're assuming you've already registered. Next, click on the login button at the top right of the page. Enter your email address and click continue, then enter your password and press continue once again. If you have forgotten your password, there's always an option to recover it right below the password field. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. From here, you need to select the event type that you wish to embed on your ClickFunnels page. This could be any event that you have already set up or one that you'll create now. After selecting the appropriate event type, look for the share button and click on it. Now you'll see a few options for adding Calendly to your website. Here you're going to click on the add to website button. Among the list of options that appears, select inline embed. This option allows you to seamlessly integrate the Calendly scheduling feature onto your web page. Once you've made that selection, click on continue. The next step is crucial. Click on copy code. This code is the embed code for your Calendly schedule, and you'll be dropping this into your ClickFunnels page. Now, let's head over to ClickFunnels. Within your ClickFunnels dashboard, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to add the Calendly scheduler. Here's where you transform your page to make scheduling easy for your visitors. Click on the Add Element button, which usually appears when you hover over the page layout. Among the elements you can add, look for the Custom HTML option. This is where you can paste the embed code you copied from Calendly. Simply click on the HTML element and a box will appear for you to paste your code. Do so, then save or publish your changes. And there you have it. Your Calendly scheduling tool is now integrated into your ClickFunnels page, fully operational and ready for your users to start booking their appointments. It's a great way to streamline your booking process directly through your marketing funnels. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.